Hey guys, it's Jeremiah here with Dad Projects. I was actually getting ready to do an entirely different video when I turn on my water and my hose is just spewing everywhere. So today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken hose. Now the damage occurred somewhere in the middle of the hose, so I'm actually going to use this little repair kit to mend this hose back together. And I'm going to start by cutting out the portion of the hose that's actually broken. And I'm going to unscrew this part and we're going to put it onto the hose. The inside diameter of my garden hose is a 3/4 inch, and this repair kit is used for either 3/4 inch or a 7/8 inch. So the fit is going to be very tight, and I'm going to have to use a lot of force to push it in. Once I have it in on the left side, I'm going to go ahead and work the right side the exact same way. Then I'm going to just use my screwdriver and tighten up the clamps. This is going to give me a nice, tight, secure seal. Like I said, I'm not that big of a fan of vinyl, but this hose is about half the cost of a rubber one. And as you can see here, it actually just burst right open. And there's a couple of factors why your garden hose would do this. One, if it's kinked too long, that can actually affect the vinyl too. Also, when it's out in the sun is going to break it down too. So if you keep it out of the sun, that's going to help. Now the break in my hose was towards the middle, but if it would have been towards one of the ends, I would have actually just cut that piece off entirely and used one of these terminal repair kits. The one that I've got in my hand is actually a female version. There are also male versions available. This repair only took me a few minutes to do, so thanks for watching guys, and hit that like and subscribe button.